So Google has changed its settings again when it does an image search. So if I decided to do a kitten search, you still click on images. And what used to happen is we used to be able to hover our mouse over the image, and then the size of the file used to show up here. It's gone. So now when I click on this image, if I hover my mouse over here, there's the numbers down there that show up. See, they're gone here. So one way to fix that, instead of clicking on every single one of these images to see if it's going to work for your project, you just go up to Settings, you go down to Advanced Search, and then down here where it says any size, you want to change that so that it's larger than 1,000. And then you can Advanced Search. And now all of these images will be returned larger than 1,000. See how now that's been noted. So if I was to click on this image, okay, do you see how it's larger than 1,000? So now I can right click, Save Image As, navigate to my desktop. My desktop is always messier than yours. And then open up my folder and name it what it is. So this is a kitten. And I can press Save. And don't forget, right, I set your JPEGs up so when you click on them, they automatically open up in Photoshop. So I can click on this and it takes me to Photoshop. So that's going to be the best way for you guys to save your images off of the internet going forward. Another thing that I wanted to let you guys know is if I decided to change this search to something else like a tree, do you see how even though I changed the image that I'm searching for up here, the larger than still stays here, which is nice. So you only have to do this once while that window's open. If I open up a new tab, I would have to go through those steps all over again.